Fred's famous peanuts.
You want to look in the inside first?
Yeah.
Here's the honey right here. Are you doing hard work again? You always do hard work when we come in here. I think we should get orange blossom honey. Hey, look, Sissy, there's some old roller skates.
These little telephones?
No, this is an old cash register.
Peanut butter.
You want that? That's an old book. You want this orange blossom honey?
Yeah, we'll get some orange blossom.
Yeah.
Did they have any more on the other side?
It's all the same. Orange blossom, wildflower, or sourwood. I wish they had orange blossom in the bear.
We'll just get this, I think.
Okay. Got peanut brittle right here. You want to see the wheel over there?
Did we get the peanuts?
Yeah. She's waving at you, Manny.
Will that be all for you guys today?
Let's see, do you got any bottled water?
Next stop, Betty's, to get some stuff for lunch. Woo!
That's some good bread right there. That's really great.
The eggs are back that are only $3.89. Do we want to get a watermelon? Pick one with a dark yellow spot, Tyler, like that one right behind your foot. That's probably a good one right there. Look, these are sugar bombs. You found a roly-poly?
Yeah.
Oh, he's rolled up.
Yeah.
He wants to go back outside.
Okay, I'll break it back outside.
There he is.
When Daddy was a little boy, there was all kinds of kids rolling them polies, wasn't there, Mama?
I remember hearing people talk about
You didn't
roly-polies.
never roll a poly.
No, I never rolled a poly. We got bull peanuts from Fred's. That's what he's eating. And what else did we get? We got the Georgia Grinders crunchy peanut butter, wildflower honey.
You take the whole peanut and bite it. You break it open, and there's all the peanuts, and then you eat it like this. Ooh, you gotta see this one. This one has 4.
Jonah just brought in the eggs. This one, that's definitely gonna be a double yolk right there. Look at those beauties, half a dozen today. The girls are doing wonderful. Welcome to Monday. We just got a Walmart delivery order. Y'all know I said I was gonna finish getting the rest of my stuff with a Walmart pickup order. I needed a few more towels and I went with these this time. It's the Mainstays. So I showed y'all the beautiful towels that I got. Beautiful is the brand of it. They're the wallpaper towels. I love those towels. They are so pretty. I wish they would have had like that mustard, like this color, kind of like the mustardy yellow color, because that would have matched my wallpaper towels and then it would have all still matched, but they didn't have the mustard yellow. So I went with this, which I think they called it, what did they call this color? Was it rust? Might have been rust. Anyway, I've been wanting to get a cooler for a little while. I wanted a cooler that we could, like Titus and the boys have coolers for work, right?
Yeah.
They get them filthy. I'm just telling you, like they get on the outside, you know, they just get all dirty and stuff. So I wanted a cooler that we could have like when we go on trips or picnics or just, you know, whatever we do. I wanted a cooler to have that wasn't all dirty. So when I saw this one with the red, white, and blue popsicles, I was like, they still have the small, like, individual sized ones too. Super cute. I needed some new dishcloths, so I got those. And some kitchen towels. This is the Clorox brand of kitchen towels. They were on clearance, so I just got a pack of those. I went ahead and got a table cover and some little food baskets for Memorial Day. We actually might be doing some kind of cookout before Memorial Day, so if we do, I'll use this stuff then. We have some friends that might be stopping by, so I don't know what we're gonna do when they stop by. If we're gonna do like, I don't know how long they're gonna have to be here when they stop by. So we're thinking if they have a little while, we might grill out, we might go somewhere and get something to eat. We don't know what we're gonna do. Tonight for supper, I'm gonna cook some leg quarters in the oven. I actually just tried to order a rotisserie chicken, but they, for some reason, sometimes don't have those available for delivery. I don't know if it's because they're out of the hot ones or what. Like, you can only get those delivered certain hours of the day. So anyway, couldn't get a rotisserie chicken, so I just got some leg quarters over there. We got some spinach, some blueberries. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a dessert today that would be a perfect dessert. I dropped my onion. It would be a perfect dessert for Memorial Day or the 4th of July or whatever. But I'm gonna make it today just in case our friends do get to stop by. We'll have this dessert if anybody wants some of it. It's gonna be kind of like a banana pudding. I'm making it like a banana pudding, kind of, but instead of bananas, we're gonna use strawberries and blueberries. So I got the blueberries for that. We have some instant vanilla pudding, Sandy's shortbread cookies. These are the ones without the pecans though. They're just the shortbread cookies, watermelon, collard greens for cooking tonight. I would rather have the big, you know, bushel of collard greens or whatever you call it. But Walmart most of the time doesn't have that unless it's around New Year's. So we have the shredded, that's fine. At least we don't have to wash and shred it because I'm pretty sure this is one of the triple washed things. What does it say? Yep, triple washed. Sometimes I'll rinse it anyway. Dino shaped chicken nuggets. I don't know who likes these. Got the potatoes for potato salad tonight. Tomorrow night, like I said, I'm not sure what we're gonna be doing tomorrow night, but if it's just us here, we're gonna do hamburger steaks and baked potatoes. So those potatoes will be for the potato salad and baked potatoes. Cream cheese, sour cream. I need the cream cheese for the dessert that we're about to make. I also got these cookies because I didn't know if they might look okay to put on top of this pudding since they have the strawberry filling in them. Let's see what they look like. Oh yeah, they're pretty, but they don't look super red. They look more kind of, you know, you see. Yeah, we got some of the lime siete chips, some corn dogs, applesauce, some of the sweet and creamy International Delight coffee creamer, and I forgot coffee. We're running very low on coffee right now. We got some heavy whipping cream, 2 pounds of strawberries. These smell really good. Some carrots and celery, butter, Italian green beans, scrubbing bubbles drop-ins, some dish detergent. We got some habanero peppers, broccoli, and yellow squash. Cause did I say tomorrow night hamburger steaks, baked potatoes, and squash casserole? That's what I'm gonna make tomorrow. If it's just us here. If it's our friends, like I said, we're gonna probably grill out or go somewhere to eat, depending on how long they get to stay. That's the thing. We don't know, number one, if they're gonna be able to stop by. Number two, if they are gonna be able to stop by, how long they're gonna be able to stay. So bananas. And in this bag, we have the ground beef for the hamburger steaks. We have some Applewood smoked turkey, sharp cheddar cheese, and the hot dogs. And that's it. All right, so for the berry pudding, that's what we'll call it, we're gonna mix half a block of softened cream cheese with 2 cups of heavy cream. I'm using some of the same ingredients that I used for the different banana puddings that we've made. We've made lots of different banana puddings. I'm gonna take this instant vanilla pudding and mix it with the cream cheese. This whole pack, it's just one of the smaller 3.4 ounce packs. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of heavy cream just to help this mix together a little better. Probably just about a little more than a 1/4 cup. Okay, let's see what we got. So there's that part. You can scoop this back. In this bowl, we're just going to mix this other box of instant vanilla pudding, just like the box says. We need 2 cups of cold milk. Okay, now we'll just let this sit over here while we wash the berries. Okay, so we'll just sit these over here too. We're gonna make our pudding in this bowl. So I'm gonna start with a little bit of cookies on the bottom. And I was trying to decide if I wanted to crumble the cookies or leave them whole. I think we're just gonna leave them whole. We're gonna put some berries. We'll just start with the blueberries. For the strawberries, I think I'm gonna try to go around the sides like this with the strawberries. Let me turn that one around. Okay, we're gonna put half of the vanilla pudding in here. And then we're gonna put half of our whipped cream mixture. Now more cookies. I'm gonna space them just a little just in case we don't have enough here.
What's on top of the candy stuff?
It's a cream cheese whipped cream mixture and pudding. Cream cheese whipped cream and pudding.
It looks good.